Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm currently on this sell trade on VIX 25 index. I sold this index here. I've taken partial profits on these sells before I started making this video. My first tip is yet to get smashed. My second tip is at this point. My third TP here as well, and fourth TP here. I expect long-term sales on VIX 25 index in the coming hours and days. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members, and the trade is moving good in profit. We've closed part of our positions in profit while we wait for our TPs to get smashed. So I'll be sharing with you guys my view and analysis on this index, why I sold this index at this point. Our SL is here. Our SL got haunted a couple of times, but price didn't actually get to our stop loss level. Got the first, our first entry was somewhere here. Price pushed up, sold down, pushed up again, getting close to our stop loss level, but luckily we didn't get stopped out. So trade moving in good profits, and I still expect more profits on this sell trade. So what's market analysis on this index? What's my view, and what do I think of this index? So we're having a market analysis and a market breakdown on VIX 25 index. So firstly, I analyze this index starting from the weekly time frame, because whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. The higher time frame can be the weekly, the monthly, or the daily time frame. But I think we should analyze starting from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, this index is clearly in an uptrend, which is the first thing I make sure I identify the market's trend on a higher time frame. So this index is clearly in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. Market trend is very much clear on VIX 25 index. So on this index being in an uptrend, I actually expect a reversal in the coming hours and the coming days and weeks on this index. Reasons is that we got this big reversal pattern formation on this index, getting a head and shoulders pattern formation on a higher time frame on the weekly time frame. Got the head at that point, the left shoulder here, and the right shoulder at this point. So I expect the sales to follow up on this index, but we have a very strong level which the market is likely to react on, which is this level of support. This is a very strong level that has held for some time, for a very long time now. Right, having the first market test of this level, first reaction here, price sold on this level, acknowledge this level as level of resistance before the retest here, the little cells break and retest of it. The resistance level broken, turn support. We got the buys as well as a support, the fourth buys. We've got the market buy on this level in the past a lot of times. So if price is to get to this level, we still have buy possibilities on this index. But the reason why I'm looking out for sell opportunities, it's because of this higher time frame structure, which I expect the sales, expect market to start selling from this level of resistance, because this is also a level that I've seen price react on, this current price level on which price is on, right? So getting market traction here, resistance here, price sold here the second time as a resistance, reacted here, gave a fake breakout move, a fake buy move, a fake out here before price pushed back to the downside. The last reaction here, this little sell. So a retest of this level, I expect the sells on VIX 25 index. I expect this index to sell from that level, to start selling from that zone basically. And this high time frame structure we got, this head and shoulders reversal pattern formation we got on this weekly time frame is a very important formation which we have to acknowledge, because seeing previous market moves, having that we got market in an uptrend here previously, this was a move that happened months ago, would say years ago. This was in 2020. We got this index move in an uptrend, creating high highs and higher lows formation. So what followed up was a big reversal pattern formation, because if the market can give such formation here and the cells followed up, the market can still give such formation here for the cells to follow up, right? So we got this big head and shoulders pattern formation on the weekly time frame, having the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder which the market formed here. So the cells followed up after the break of this neckline at this point. The sell move followed up on this index. You can see the break and retest of the neckline for these cells that happened here. So I expect the market to do the same thing on this index for the sell move, at least for price to sell to this point. So that's my view on the weekly time frame on this index. So this sell view caught my interest. It's what made me look out for sell opportunities on a lower time frame. I'm still moving in profit, and I still expect more sales on this index. Our TP1 is about to get smashed. Hopefully, it would be smashed, same as our TP2. So the daily time frame is looking good as well, which this level on which price is on is a very important level, a level that price has re-expected. You can see market reactions on all of this on this level. Market traction here, resistance, break, retest. For this fake breakouts, price broke and broke below it. Came to give a retest of it after we got this fake buy breakouts. Right. I know a lot of buyers would think in the market has reversed, like the bulls are trying to push the market to the upside, but the BS2 came back to push this market below this level, showing that this level is still active and very much valid. So we got this retest here for the sell move, which the market gave at this point for the sell move, right? For the sell move. So price too came back to the same level, sold, came back here again and sold. So I expect this index to sell, to start selling from this point in the coming hours. And on the 4 hour time frame, we got a good formation, a nice formation, which the market presented. The market presented another block formation, having that this a level that we've seen price, you expect, right? Always take note of these levels. I don't joke with identifying the market reactions on these levels, because the levels that we have possibilities of same price react on if market is to come back to these levels. So we also got market do what, sell on this level the second time as resistance first. We have a lot of reactions here, but these are the major reactions, because this is the sell move that produced these bigger cells. This one as well produced this bigger cell. So let's just spot these two sell reaction there, and that's a reaction at this point, and we got price towards push to the downside. So if price can come back to this zone, give this little sales, it's still have possibilities of same price, still react on the same level. So I looked out for sell opportunity here on a sell formation, on a bearish formation on this index. So the market presented what, this lower highs formation on this on the 1 hour time frame, because I analyzed from a higher time frame, they went to lower time frame for my entry. So the market presented this lower highs formation and these lower lows as well. Price is pushing back to our entry, but I'm strongly holding the sells, and I still expect more sells on this index. So we got the lower lows formation here, as well as the lower highs. So I expect this index to drop to the downside, at least for market to get to this zone, this level which I identified here on the 4 hour time frame, this level that I've seen price. You expect, right, having that we've got price do what, buy on this level, got the buys here, support, resistance, support. So if price is to sell to this zone, we still have buy possibilities on this index. So my last TP is close to this level, which I would still set another TP maybe somewhere at this point by the end of this video. Let's hope for our TPs to get smashed and see what the market do afterwards. So I will give you guys an update on how this trade later played out. And we are moving in profits, not big profits basically, but we've taken partial profit on this sales, let's not forget. So it's a good trade as well. That's this, guys. That's how I was able to sell VIX 25 index, and that's my view and analysis on this index. That's what I think of this index. This index has been a lot choppy throughout today. This index has played around a couple of times, but I'm holding my sales strongly, right? I believe that this index is going to sell. That's why I'm patient with the market, and I'm trusting my analysis. So for more market breakdowns and market review, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.